starting to see things move again. Breadth's opening up in the stock market, looking like a blow-off top, or the same signs as a blow-off top in the stock market here. I don't know that we've reached it yet. I don't know where the maximum's going to be. I do think we're going to see a rotation out of the FANG stocks and the large blue chip, stocks that most everybody's talking about, NVIDIA and the like, into mid and small caps before we are, all done with this deal. I do think that we are close to that point happening. Looking at some of the other indicators that we always watch, we've got the JPY. The 10-year is at 2.6, the highest that it's ever been in the entire past decade. Really, since about really the late 90s. We haven't seen anything this high on the chart. Last time we were at this price point, not price point, but yield for the 10-year was back in the mid-90s for Japan. Long time ago. So pretty substantial rise in their interest rates. Those are continuing to climb. People anticipating that they are going to have to raise interest rates. There is a large disparity between where they are holding their interest rates and where their interest rates are trading for the bonds. Many of the people at the BOJ and people that are retired from the Bank of Japan all coming out and saying that they expect that their interest rates will be at 2% or higher in the next 2 to 3 years. I think, we really should see like 1.5 at some point here in 2026. I think that they will be moving aggressively higher when they do decide to go ahead and shift here. They have one more intervention. If you want to go look at the yen versus the USD, you can see the last 5 interventions they've had here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, yeah, that one, I don't know that this one was an intervention about 24 hours ago or not. It wasn't anywhere near as significant as some of the other ones. But they only get so many more before the IMF is going to step in here and start regulating them much more strictly in order to be able to prevent a currency collapse from happening. And again, I do think that they're going to be forced to raise interest rates and invoke monetary policy potentially at some point here in May. Again, that would be unprecedented.